to my channel. My name is Deepa and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. Yes, so today I'm going to use the Affirmations Tarot deck to see what is the energy that we have today. So stick along with me. Yes. Okay, so let's give this a quick shuffle to see what are the energy that universe has for us today. So I'm using this after some time. Yes. I really like the illustrations on this tarot deck. Yes. And I think it's been some time since I've been shooting here. And other day, let me tell you, when I was coming back from my farmhouse, oh my god, I don't know what is it with me and my empty seat manifestation. The entire you know chair car bogie was full, but only my seat was empty. Yes, so beside my seat, so I just टांग फैला के I came, like I put my legs and आराम से I slipped and came. Yes, I don't know how it happens, but it makes me realize of my manifestation power. Yes, so anyway, let's get into the reading to see what is the energy that we have here today. Yes, so affirmations is most of, like, see, affirmations tarot deck is like whatever you're speaking to God is being answered, is being listened upon. Yes, that is the energy that I get firstly. Yeah, so okay, to do Page of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm seeing here today, for some strange reason, I am feeling a very strong career. Yes, so your career financially, or you must be feeling very good, or I'm seeing you taking a work trip, regarding your job or career, or yeah, something to do with the work trip. And I'm also seeing you maintaining a journal and all of that. For some reason, let me tell you, when I write something, and let me tell you, I'm a psychic, right? So when I write something, for me, I feel like when I make note in my phone, makes more impact than writing down. So you will not see me, with a book and pen. All of these videos are something that, for me, I love my Apple Notes. Yes, for me, that is the thing. Like, I use it to the core, to the maximum. Yes, I jot down everything, yes, on that, and ensure that when I you know when I make these videos, like for example, if I'm making something like how to achieve inner union and all of that. By the way, let me tell you, I've started this Page of Pentacles to me also, like from past like a week, I would say. I've started making note of how did I, Deepa, achieve inner union? Part 3, the cups. Yes, so before the Scorpion season starts, you will see me, release that video in Scorpion season when my birthday will be there. Yes, so inner union, the cups, I've started making now, making a note of what I'm going to speak. Yes, and then the last one is the Pentacles. So I think by the time we come to Capricorn season, I think I'll release the How Did I, Deepa, by the time this year ends. Yes, so Page of Pentacles is something like affirmation, like manifesting. For me, I have two targets. Yes, first is I want to hit 200k on this channel. Yes, and second thing is, by the time I finish this year 2024, I want to finish the other two videos, the cups and the Pentacles. Yes, I really personally, more than swords, I think I love the wands video. Yes, so I was more prepared. So to me, Page of Pentacles here talks about like everything. Like, I'm just explaining what are the to do that I am planning. For me, my notes is everything. I'm a hardcore Apple Notes person. So like that, you may have different things. You may be a diary, you may be a journal person, anything. But for me, if you want to know how does Deepa do it, it is my Apple Notes. Yes. So that's about your Page of Pentacles. So you can see here in this, like, it's giving me like a bull vibe. Yeah, you are your karmic, maybe a Taurus. Yes, very strong Taurus vibe. Your DM may be a Taurus. Yes, in like Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli. Yes, relationship. Anushka is the Taurus, and you know Virat is Scorpion like me. Yes. So anyway, this is the one, Page of Pentacles, something that you are jotting down. And page is like mini goals. I always believe in mini goals, something that I want to achieve in like 3 months from now, 6 months from now. So I really believe in that. Yes. So something like that, something like a mini goal. Yes. So yeah. So by the time this year ends, mainly by Scorpion season, I'm gonna release my cups video, and by the time we step into Capricorn, the earth sign season, you are going to see the pentacles. And of the three earth signs, the most stable earth sign is the Capricorn, and of the three cups, of the three water signs, the most, dominating and stable water sign is Scorpion. Yes, so it makes sense why it dragged till here. So let's see. So I started noting down the cups video. Yes, this is very tough because being water sign, yes, the cups is the main thing. Yes, so that's your first card. Let's get into the second card. Oh my god, Four of Cups. So Four of Cups, yes, to me it is emotional, emotional turmoil, because Four of Cups is, I'll tell you, um, Four of Cups, after your Three of Cups, Four of Cups talks about, how do I put it in words? It is, something where, like, very emotionally you took a hit. For me this year, whatever happened in my life, and it's, let me tell you, it is nothing to do with my story, not with, with my soulmate, nothing of that sort. But what happened in my friend circle and all of that, that took an emotional turmoil. So always remember that in this journey, every lesson is a lesson that you learn. For me, as a water sign, emotional, balance is very, very, very tough. Yes, but I'm happy I've achieved it with a lot of beatings. Yes. So yes, like I said in my orange aura, in my video which I made other day, till I was not poked upon by my mother, I was not doing it. So, universe ensures from whom you need a push. Yes. So emotional, there is a little bit of emotional turmoil, and I think this journey is all about that. But that was the last blow for me. Yes. I am so emotionally balanced right now, and I think it makes sense when you achieve inner union, karmic victory, and all of that. It is by default, like, it's like just the bonuses. Yes. And yeah, so after that, after, to balance inner union and karmic victory, it will be another journey. And one more, with affirmations. Oh my god, my clan who have joined the sexual union, I knew that if I'm making these videos, if God is making me make these videos beforehand, yeah, I am so thrilled and happy that, my clan is joining me. Yes. And slowly all of them are coming. I am very proud of, Alec. Alec's twin is orange aura. And yeah, so sexual union, oh my god, I so badly wanted her to come. Yes. So she, and there is another girl, yes, who's a classical dancer. She is orange aura. So she, oh my god, I'm so proud of you guys. Yes. Sexual union done, time for inner union. It's going to start from here, like, it's gonna get complicated, but step one done. Yes. So I knew that if God is making me do these videos, I think that by the time I finish inner union, yes, the cups and the pentacle series, I know somebody is going to join me in inner union. Yes. So now it has become like a race, right? Yeah. So very excited. I'm so happy. Finally, somebody joined me here. Now it makes sense why, I have to achieve first, or why it has to be me first, because, needs to announce it. Yes, somebody need to make the video. Yes. So super happy, my sexual union guys. Yes. You've achieved. It's a very tough journey. Even achieving sexual union is not easy. So for my other auras, stay tuned till when I get in this video. You will know eventually. Yes. So one more thing I want to add. Yes. So sexual union, if for example you are like, for example, I am gold and my twin is blue. Okay. So if my title is like, sexual union for blue aura. Okay. So it by default means even for me, because, like I said, these unions cannot be achieved only by the half part of the soul. Both have to achieve. So if I include a title with white or a red or a orange or something like that, yes. So if you understand that you were the, push up. For example, in sexual union, I feel like it was Mr. B, yeah, who pushed it. Yes. But in a union karmic victory, it is me. Yes. So it all depends on, like, who is the rider, yeah, or who is the driver right here, who's pushing it. So wait for the title. Yes. So for my orange auras, yes, it was you. Orange aura is the driving factor. Yes. So by default, if your twin has achieved, it doesn't mean you have not achieved. It means, like, you as a soul have achieved. These unions need to be achieved with us, like, as a soul. Yes. Let's see what's the next card. Okay. So we have Seven of Pentacles. I am seeing a lot of career today in the reading. Yeah, so you may be having a lot of career goals or you have a lot of work plans, and strangely I'm feeling the DF energy. So let's see if even I catch the DM energy. Yes, so I'm feeling the DF energy. A lot of, you are jotting down, you're saving money, you want to fulfill your dreams and all of that. I'm getting that. Yes, and Seven of Pentacles is like you're almost there, 70% there for your Ten of Pentacles. So I'm seeing a lot of financial. I have been getting a lot of lately, a lot of financial abundance in my cards and in my readings. So I'm feeling that. Yes. So yes, my lovelies. Yes. So let's see what's the next card. So we have, oh my god, it's all about Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles is a card wherein, if you're karmic, I'll tell you the funny thing. Six of Pentacles is grabbing from somebody else. Okay. So if your karmic took money from your DM, okay, I'm getting this energy with this card in, and this happens a lot less. It has happened in my story, it has happened in everyone's story that I know. This karmic is repaying your DM. Yes, what she took, she is repaying. At least, remember that this is the year of Saturn, and every karmic will step into the journey of divine feminine. Yes, again, few lives later, she'll become a fully, she'll reach the stage that we are in. Yes, is the sacred divine feminine. Yes, so eventually that is the path. Yes, so this karmic, I'm getting this energy, is repaying your DM. At least this much, your this karmic has learned the lesson. This is the year of Saturn, so anything can happen. Yes, I think that's the title of my video. So that is why, when I come here and start shooting is when I decode the energy. So I am seeing that, the karmic is repaying the DM. She is paying him back. But Six of Pentacles is like 50%. Yes, not 100%. If I would get, Ten of Pentacles, then I would have felt that, yes, that she is repaid fully. Okay. Oh my god, today's reading is all about Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. I think she stole from your DM a lot. Yes. I'm getting a lot of stealing energy. Yes. And one more thing I'm seeing is, for some karmics, I'm seeing a loss of job, or, I'm getting like inflation hitting. I don't know. I'm hearing all these statements. So I am feeling like, inflation hit or something. I don't know. Maybe if they're about to lose a job, all and everything can happen in the year of Saturn. Yes. So this is the year of Saturn, and I am very sure this can happen. Yes. So I'm seeing a loss of job or a change of job, or salary reduced, or something like she was not given a promotion, something like this sort. Okay, so the karmic is paying career wise. There is a loss of money here, finance here. Five of Pentacles talks about that. But I'll tell you what, in all this, I feel like she's repaying your DM. Four of Pentacles. Yes, I'm feeling a yellow aura. Yes, I am also feeling obviously a green aura. There's a lot of green in the cards. Yes, so any yellow auras that you know of? Yes, so yeah, yellow aura. There are very few people that I know. Yes, so yellow aura. See, yellow aura have a plus point that they're always happy, like the sun energy. Yes, so that is why I don't know much. Twin flame journey will not have such a smooth aura. Yeah, so any of the DM's friend or something like that. So I'm getting that, with Four of Pentacles, that this karmic is about to, have a change of job or loss of job, or something happened in our workplace. There is a career downfall, something like that. Yes. So it can be individual to individual story. And if your karmic is not a karmic, yes, in some cases your karmic may be a family, like that, all that case. So in that case, I'm seeing that this karmic trusted somebody, and if she has given money, then there is a cheating there. Yeah, there is a karmic. If there is a karmic family, there is a loss of money in the family. There is some form of financial loss. Yes, and I think this is the first time that I'm getting like this in my channel. Yes, so yeah. Okay, Three of Pentacles. This deck only wants to give Pentacles. Okay, so Three of Pentacles for my divine feminines and masculines. For my, I'm feeling like career-wise or financially, divine feminine is, I was getting the cards of Seven and Page of Pentacles and all of that. Not a full Ten of Pentacles, but definitely you are very little bit stable career. Yes, but the DM is at Three of Pentacles. Yes, I'm getting the DM energy right here. So he's slowly building up. Yes, for some of the divine masculines, again, I'm getting the home buy. Yes, something your divine masculine is planning to save his money, to safeguard his money, to protect his money. that form. Yes. So if the karmic is repaying or paying him, then it's very good, because he is trying to firstly, I'm also seeing that if he made any loans or something like that, he's also clearing that. Yes. So yes, let's see what's the next card. Okay, so we have the moon. Okay, so moon generally talks about telepathy. Yes, and I'm also seeing that I feel like universe is also in contact with the karmic, and the karmic is also getting signs. See, for the karmic to leave some form of factor, because karmic don't leave so easily. Yes, they are very stubborn when it comes to catching your DM and all of that. Yes, so there are very few scenarios also when a DF is also attached with the karmic. Yes, but majority of the time it is a DM. So I'm feeling like there is also telepathy between universe and the karmic. Yes, giving like signs. Somebody has to, some angel is appointed, right, to tell that this is not going to work out. No, you have to leave and all of that. So I'm seeing here the telepathy between universe and the karmic. Yes, so the karmic is also catching signs. And let me tell you, this is the year of Saturn. Anything and everything can happen. Yes. Yes, so let's see what's the next card. Okay, Judgment. Okay, so I am feeling, since we are now tapping into major arcana, yes, see how energy is, automatically cards change. Yes, and yeah, so let's see what's the energy that we have with Judgment. I'm feeling to pick a clarifier for this. Yeah, I think I'm doing this generally when I am doing readings. I generally do that. Yes, I pick clarification. So let's see what's a clarifier we get for this. Okay, spirits, so give me a clarifier for this. Okay, so we have an Eight of Swords. Okay, so the first, actually I wanted a clarification, because this is the first time that in Judgment I'm seeing a career, not only a career downfall, but also a health issue. Yes, and I wanted to cross check that. With Eight of Swords, I'm confirmed. I feel like the karmic is trapped. Yeah, I feel like she is like all doors are closed. You can see how this Eight of Swords is. It's very similar to the one in Raider White, wherein a woman is blindfolded, and she has all the swords surrounded, which is like a cage. So with Judgment, I'm feeling like she's just, what you sow, so shall you reap. There is a dialogue like that. So whatever she put energy into, it bounces back to her. But I'll tell you, this karmic, I made a video where I spoke about, karmic not in her karmic energy anymore. So this karmic knows her mistake. Yes. And I feel like she is now not in the karmic energy, but whatever happened, what deeds you did in the past will always have an it's like a catapult. Yes, it's like a boomerang. It will bounce back. So I'm seeing here the karmic is paying price for her own deeds. Yes, and I'm feeling like there is career wise, because there is a little bit of in Hindi we say thoda sa akkal aaya, like because of that there is a little bit of ringer that came wherein she changed. And I'm also seeing a health issue right here. That is why this is the first time that in a Judgment card I'm getting a health issue. So I wanted to cross check. Yes. So with Eight of Swords, I'm feeling like the karmic is trapped. She fell in her own pit. Yes. So this year is all about karmic. 2024 is all about karmic. Yes, that's why you'll see me talk a lot about that in this channel. Yes. And one more thing is, we are also approaching the 11 by 11 portal. Yes, very soon. Yes, and on 15th of November, Saturn is turning direct. Yes, so by then, when Saturn is retrograde, let me tell you, when it's retrograde, you get more punishment than when it is not retrograde. Yes, for example, if you see the Kolkata's case, you can see that everything that this fellow did, people, the police dug out. Yes, but I always told about that the King of Justice need to be direct. So November 15, it is turning direct. So, I hope so there will be some progress in that case. Yes. And I feel like, in these cases, many things are hidden from public. Yes. So till, there is a justice involved. Yes. If it's out in the public or not, it does not make any difference. Okay. So now, Eight of Swords here, to me, I'm feeling not only a health issue. See, health issue need not always be a physical health issue, but it also can be mentally. When you repent, yeah, of what you did, yes, that is also a health issue, because mentally it is eating you up. Yes, so the karmic is realizing what she did mainly to the DM, but also to you. So there is definitely a retrospection here with the moon also, and with the Three of Pentacles also I'm feeling. And because there is, universe is making her realize. See, every karmic will start we were all few lives back karmics in some other story. wherein we decided to, take the part of spirituality and change ourselves. Yes, that is how everybody, that is what your human life is, wherein you evolve spiritually. Yes. So yes, let's see what's the next card. Okay, Seven of Swords. So I am seeing even the family is paying the price of the karmic. Oh my god, today's reading is all about karmic. Okay, so even the karmic's family is paying the price of the decisions of the karmic. Seven of Sword is like deceit. Yeah, it's a card of sneaking. Like, things you do wantedly. There are two things. Some things which you do like without knowing, wrong. Some things like which you do wantedly. So Seven of Sword represents like, a little bit of cunningness, like a fox. Yes. So I'm seeing that. Yes. So there is a lot of deceit which your karmic did. Even the family found out. And sometimes what happens is the family also doesn't know that this karmic is doing like this. Sometimes the karmic's family will be very nice, but the karmic is the shady one. So like this, I always believe that everybody evolve, everybody change. So this particular karmic, the family also found out. So if the family is innocent here, the family also found out about the deeds of the karmic. Yes. Okay. Six of Sword. Okay. But let's see. Ultimately, I feel like universe takes sometimes, your karmic's father can be very good person and he may give a little bit of, knowledge that, you shouldn't do all this, don't do. Six of Sword talks about, Six of Sword is one of the brilliant cards in tarot, which, shows the right direction, which tells, okay, if till today, whatever you did, it's okay, but now ensure that you go on the right path. Yes. So if the for the karmic to also leave, it doesn't happen like a snap. It is like a lot of, you know turmoil. For example, if you see in the story of Jennifer Garner, Jennifer Garner, Ben Affleck, and Jennifer Lopez, and you have A-Rod, Alex Rodriguez. I think so. It's pronounced like that. Yes. So these all were on soulmate journey. Yes. So at that some point, the twins get a retrospection that you have to come out of this. Yeah, even if it is soulmate. But see, I believe that choosing happiness at that point of time, I have learned today I'm going to talk about this with the Six of Sword. Yes, I have learned to live in the present. Yeah, make your present the best past. So when it is becoming past, for example, today if I'm making this video, tomorrow this will become my past. So make it the best present. Yes. So live in the present. I have learned the power of this year. So since we began this reading with the Page of Pentacles, the power of present. Yes. So I want to end this video with this. Yes. So I am really making 15-20 minutes video, which conveys a lot of energy because my inner union, all those videos will anyway be long. Yes. So what is the power of present? Yes. So make your present now so powerful. For example, it is very important for me to kick out negative energy in form of everything. It can be divine feminine clan, it can be my clients, it can be friends, it can be family members, anything. I want them out. When they are out, there is this beautiful magic that stirs up. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is the Kung Fu Panda inner peace, wherein he talks about inner peace. When Shifu talks about inner peace, when Tortoise talks about the master Ugwe, yes, talks about inner peace. This is that. So to make this, you have to reach her, you have to make an effort. Yes, and make it your best effort. For example, it is not going to come in one day. It is a journey. Yeah, that is why it is called twin flame journey. I always say that twin flame journey. Don't do it to just that is what I tell. Just don't do it for your twin to come, marry, and all this. Don't be, again, you're putting conditions. Do it for yourself to evolve as the best version of yourself. Yes, and I feel that that's the best journey. So make your present, this present. For example, I whenever I come to make this video, let me tell you honestly, I feel a little lazy. I'm like, it's okay, tomorrow I'll do and all that. But then no, I'm like, no, let me get up, because I have to, if I make this video, then I can relax for a week. Yeah, till I make the next video. Yes. So I come here, make this video, So it's all about making your present the best present. Yes. So that is the power of the present. Yes, and I'll tell you why I'm speaking about this today. So you know that we have in our Hindu culture, you have three gods which represent past, present, future. Okay, so past is past as in what Brahmadev writes. Yeah, it is like what is already written in your destiny. Yes, so Brahmadev is given the task of creation. Yes, and then you have present, which is run by Lord Vishnu. He runs the present, and the end is Shiva. Lord Shiva. Okay, so in all these three, the toughest job is Vishnu's, Lord Vishnu. Yes, that is why you see he sleeps in the cosmic ocean and he is always calm. Represents very calm energy. You will never see him angry. Yes, till only in one avatar where he takes as Lord Narsimha. Yes, in that he represents anger. Yes, so he represents calm energy. That is why you imagine your present. There is a journey which you have to live as a present. Your past, your start and end, your start point and your destination is very easy, but the journey, the suffer in Hindi, if I have to say, is very tough. Yes, that is why in Lord Vishnu's case, that is why he sleeps 4 months, because he's so many millions of life. Imagine he has to keep a track of so much. He has a lot of job work to do. Yeah, that is why 4 months. You have different people. Like for example, now we have Pitrupaksh going on, wherein your ancestors take, and then you have Dashera, wherein goddess, the three goddesses take, and then you have Diwali. Yeah, from there for 1 month Lord Shiva takes, and then you have Ganesh Chaturthi where Ganeshji takes. So everyone have taken the role of little bit from Lord Vishnu, saying that you go to sleep, little bit we will handle. Yeah, so that is the power of present. Make your present the best present. That is why when I was forced that you cannot be with your soulmate, there is a black magic effect of your soulmate XYZ. For me, the best definition is I'm happy. Yes, so live in the present, make your present the best present. Yes, when you start analyzing, for this you have to really believe in Lord Vishnu. Yes, and for me, I now understand when I'm praying a lot to Lord Shiva, when he told me that why are you praying for me? It is Lord Vishnu that you need to, it's my son. And eventually even said Lord Vishnu came for my aid. So it's all about, for me, I have a deep connection with water. Yes, so the present should be your best present. So live in now. And you think the same for your divine masculine. Yes, see, eventually it is a rule and a law of twin flame journey, no karmic lasts. Yes, that's a universal, like a 10 commandment rule. But to reach there, it's a journey. At least I can tell you that with so many years of my experience. Yes, so don't put clauses. Believe, I want my life to be like a free flow, like a magic flow of water, like magic. Yes, so I believe in that. So yes, my lovelies, on that thought, this is a short sweet reading, so check out what am I going to write in the title. I will see you guys in the next video. If I have some time, I'm going to shoot another video. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.